Thanks for joining us for our math lesson today. Everybody say hello. 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 Let's begin with our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap. And close your eyes. Good job. Feel for boom boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap when you feel it. Keep thinking about your heart center even though you're not touching it anymore. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly open your eyes. And let's start our math lesson. In this math lesson, we're going to keep working with division. So we're going to do a little warm-up. We're also going to think about some division sentences, kind of like word problems, and we're going to make some groupings with some manipulatives at our desk. So we'll pass out some beans later and go through some division problems. So first we're going to do some warm-ups. And we're going to kind of think about a math sentence with some missing information. So we're going to have some equations and our answer. So we need to think, what number times 3 equals 12? 4. All right, very nice, friends. That's correct. 3 times 4 equals 12. So we're going to do some examples like that. You're going to have one number, you're going to get the answer, and you're going to have a missing number. So you're going to have to think about it a little bit different. So let's do 4 times what number equals 20? Think about it in your mind. Raise your hand. Okay, what is it? 5. 5. Very nice. Very nice. Let's do 6 times what number equals 18? So raise your hand when you have an idea. Think about 6 times what number equals 18? Raise your hand when you have an idea. Keep it secret. Keep it secret. 6 times what is 18? 3. You got it, friends. Very nice job. You know what to do. 4 times blank equals 24. 4 times what number equals 24? Raise your hand. Keep it secret. 4 times what number equals 6? Okay, still thinking about it?
No.
Got it?
Got it.
4 times what is 24? 6. You are right, friends. Very nice job. Good job. Let's do 5 times what is... 5 times what number is 25? Raise your hand when you have an answer. Keep it secret. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Great job. It's 5. Woo-hoo. Okay. 6 times what number is 36? Raise your hand when you have an idea. Keep it secret. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. Let's try a little trickier one. 7 times what number gives us 21? Raise your hand when you have an idea. Raise your hand when you have an idea. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. 7 times 3 gives us 21. Yeah, isn't that funny? 8 times what gives us 32? 8 times what gives us 32? It's a little trickier. Got some ideas? I know, we forgot to do that one. We're going to do that one. 8 times what gives us 32? 1, 2, 3. 8 times what gives us 32? It's not 6. 4. It's 4. That's okay. That's cool. It's 4. Let's do 8 times what gives us 40? 8 times what gives us 40? Raise your hand when you have an idea. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 5. Great job, friends. Let's do the one we forgot over here. 6 times what gives us 36? Okay, you were fast on that one. Good job. 6 times 6 gives us 36. Let's do a few more. 9 times what gives us 72? You can check it out on your fingers. 9 times what gives us 72? Raise your hand when you have an idea. Let's wait for a few more, friends. 9 times what gives us 72? Keep it secret. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 9 times 8. Great job. Did you use your finger trick for that one? Good. Okay, 4 times what gives us 36? 4 times what number gives us 36? It's a tricky one.
What?
4 times what number gives us 36? I'm going to give you a clue. You can use your fingers for this one. Can use your fingers on this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 4 times? 4 times 9. 4 times 9. We can use our finger trick on that one. 4 times 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 6 on this side, so it's 36. Good job, friends. But we're going to do a little bit of grouping for our division warm-up too. So let's start with some hearts. How many hearts do we have? Help me count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, 15 hearts. So we have 15 hearts all together. 15 hearts all together. And Nadia, can you come help us make some groups of hearts? Come on up. You're going to circle some groups of hearts for us. We want 3 hearts inside every circle. Can you make some groups for us? We need 3 hearts inside every circle. Yeah, that's one circle with 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool.
Equal 5.
1, 2, 3. How many groups do you think there's going to be? Yeah, I bet you're right. I bet you're right. There's 4. And our last one, 5. Very nice. Okay. Great job. So we've got 3 hearts. Thank you. Inside every group. So 3 hearts inside every group. And how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15, our total number, equals 3 times 5. We could also think about this as 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Yeah, so do we have the same numbers here? Yeah. We just kind of moved around our equal sign and we flipped multiplication for division. So let's do some more. Let's do candy. Help me count how many candies we have.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Hold on. I don't think we have that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's do 12. So let's make groups of 2. Groups of 2. Bang Bang, come on up and make some groups of 2 for us. Here you go. 2 groups of 2. So inside every circle, we need 2 candies. And I bet our friend Leko is right. Okay, looking good. 2 and 2. Okay, so how many inside every circle? Inside every circle? 2. How many circles do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very nice job, my friend. Okay, so we have 12 candies, 2 groups, or two candies in every group, and 6 groups. Do you think we can make a math sentence like this for our candies? Do you want to come help us? Yeah, come on up and help us. Let's see how we can do that. Here you go. How can we make a math sentence like that? 12 equals 2 times 6, because we have 6 groups here, right? 2 times 6.
12.
Or we can do, for division, we can say 12 divided by, with our new division sign that we learned about. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. All right, very nice job. It was really high up there. You had to stretch. Great job, friends. So when we think about division, we can think about making equal groups, then we count up all the groups, all the circles, and we count how many are inside every circle. And that gives us all the information we need to make a problem with times or to make a problem with division. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that when we review our PowerPoint from our last lesson. But for now, let's have everybody stand up. Let's take a little break, just stretch out our bodies, move around a little bit. Okay, so everybody stretch your arms up high over your head. Stretch out your fingers. Go up on your toes and get a little bit taller. Good job. Okay, put your arms with your elbows out. Put your arms with your elbows out and twist around. Be careful of your neighbors. Be careful of your neighbors. So we can stretch our shoulders and our back and our arms. Good job. Okay, put your arms out into a T. And touch your toes. And come up halfway. Pretend like your arms are very heavy. Swing them around a little bit. Good. Stand up nice and tall. Let's do it again. Stand up nice and tall. Put your arms up high over your head. Stretch out all your fingers. Good. Put your arms down into a T and touch your nose. Okay. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. Good job. Come up halfway. Swing your arms. Pretend they're heavy. Pretend they're so heavy. If you want to make a few monkey sounds, you can. Very nice. Okay. Stand up nice and tall. Turn to a neighbor and tell that neighbor hello. Hello. Tell that neighbor hello with your other hand. Give that neighbor a high five up top. High five down low. Good job. Shake hands with your neighbor, 2 hands at the same time. Good job. Hold 1 hand with your neighbor. And spin your neighbor. Get a spin for yourself. If you can do the double spin where you spin at the same time, you can do that. It's pretty fun. Good job. After a few spins, tell your neighbor thank you. Thank you. Tell your neighbor you're welcome. You're welcome. Great job, friends. Let's do 3 claps. 3 jumps. Let's take 3 steps. And 3 spins around. Woo. Very nice job. Okay, everybody can take a seat. So we have now 4 signs that we can use for math. And we know that when we do addition or plus or put together, we have this sign, our plus sign, plus sign. So that's how we know when we look at a math problem, if we see this plus sign, that we're going to add. We also know for when we see subtraction, when we see this sign, that we're going to do minus or take away.
Subtraction.
Yeah, subtraction. So when we see this, we know that we're going to subtract, minus, or take away. When we see this sign, our x, we know we're going to do multiplication or times, and that's how we know what to do. And our new one that we've been learning about is our division sign. Our division sign. So this is just a fast way that we can look at a math problem like what we did on our board, and we can see that we are going to divide or to share things. So we're going to have a big number, we're going to divide, and we're going to break that big number up into smaller groups. And each group is going to have the same number, just like we did with our hearts over here. We had a big number, 15, divided by 3, 3 in every group, and we have 5 groups. Or the same as we did with our candies, we started with 12 candies. Pangpon made groups of 2 for us, and we have 6 groups. So 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. This is our multiplication sign. Everybody show me multiplication. Times. Times. Very good. Times. And when we see that, we know that we're going to do times. Like 3 times 12 equals 6. Equals 36, yep. And the opposite of times is our division sign. Division. So just like we practiced with our problems on the board and how we did fact families with plus and minus a long time ago, multiplication and division are the opposites of each other. So when we see division, we can have the same numbers, they're just going to be in different places, and now we've got division instead of time. So we have 36, our biggest number, divided by 12 equals 3. So we know that when we see dividing, we're going to be sharing all those numbers, all of that big number into smaller groups. So just remember to think about division sign just means sharing. Like our friends with the donuts or the little cakes, okay? Or hamburgers. They kind of look like hamburgers, yeah. How many do we have all together? 6. Okay, friends, I'm going to have you tell me what's happening. How many friends do we have?
3.
How many friends? 3, yeah. So we have 6 cakes or hamburgers or little buns. We have 3 friends. What's going to happen, do you think? We want to share. Yeah, we want to share and we want it all to be equal so that everyone has the same numbers. So the girl's going to get 1, the baby's going to get 1, the man will get 1. And we're going to pass them all out until they're all gone. So how many did everybody get? 2, 2, 2. One group of 2, second group of 2, third group of 2. We start with 6. That's our big number that we start with.
Cupcake.
We're going to share it with 3 friends. That's how many are in each group. And then every friend is going to get 2. Every friend is going to get 2. So when we write this with our division sign, we say 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Because everybody got 2. Everybody got 2 cookies. Okay, what's next? Pizza. How many pieces of pizza do we have all together? 8. Yeah, we have 8 pieces of pizza. How many friends? 4 friends. The girl, the baby, the man, and the cat. So all our friends are going to get pizza. They're all going to get the same number, so it's going to be equal groups. Same number. Let's pass out our pizza. Here we go. For the girl, for the baby, for the man, for the cat. And we're going to pass out all the pizza. 1 for the girl, 1 for the baby, 1 for the man, 1 for the cat. Okay. We're out of pizza. No more pizza. So we started with how many pieces? 8. How many friends? 4. How many pieces did every friend get? 2. How can we write this as an equation? 8. Good. 8, our big number that we start with, divided. So we're going to share by 4 friends equals 2 pieces of pizza for everybody. Very nice. Okay, let's look at our apples. Apples. How many apples do we have? 9 apples. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're right, we have 9 apples, and we are going to share those apples with how many friends? 3 friends. 3 friends. So we're going to share a few with the girl, a few with the cat, a few with the man. We're going to pass out all our apples. Good. Does everybody have the same amount of apples? The same number? Yep. Yeah. We started with 9. Shared them with 3 friends. Everybody gets 3 apples. How can we write this with our division sign? 9. Are we doing times or divide? Divide. Yeah. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Good. 3 apples for everybody. 9 to start with, divided by 3 friends, equals 3 apples for everybody. Very nice job. Okay, we're going to do some practice with making groups once again. So we're going to kind of think about a little bit of a story problem. We've got some beans for everybody, and we're going to go through a couple examples on the board. Then we're going to pass out beans, and everybody is going to try to make some equal groups with their beans for the equations that we have on the board. So we're going to start out first if we have 8 beans. 8 beans. And we're going to divide. So I have 8 beans. 8 beans. I want to divide those beans into groups of 2. Okay? So I have 8 beans. I'm going to divide them into groups of 2. And that's 1 group, 2, 3, and you're right, I have 4 groups. Equals 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every group has 2 beans. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Good job, friends. What if we have 20 beans? We have 20 beans, and we want to make them into equal groups. We're going to divide 20 beans divided by groups of 5. So you're going to make little groups of 5. Here we'll just circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there 5 beans in every group? Yeah, so 20 beans divided by groups of 5 gives us 4 groups. Okay? What if we have only... No, that's too many. What if we have only 12 beans? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 beans. I want to divide those beans into groups of 6. I'm going to go and circle 6 beans. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This bean is out. Too many beans in this group. So 6 beans here. 6 beans here. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 beans divided by groups of 6. How many groups? Equals 2 groups. Okay. So easy. Good. I'm glad. Okay, can you count out 12 beans? Can you give 12 beans to Pang Pon? Can you count some beans? Can you give 12 beans to Pot? Can you count out some beans? Give 12 beans to Nid? Okay. Do you have 12 beans?
Yeah.
Okay. How many beans do you have? Okay, count out 12 beans. Okay, can you give 12 to Nid? Right there. So everybody's gonna get 12 beans. You got 12? Good. Okay, how many do you have?
5.
5. There you go. It's 12. Yep. So make sure that you have 12. Okay, here's 12 for you. How many do you have there?
This is more complete.
Okay.
So we'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay.
17. Me, 17.
Okay.
And me, 12.
So can I have 5 beans?
Yep.
No. I need 5. I need 5.
5.
Okay. Everybody count your beans. Okay, give me 6, please. Everybody make sure you have 12 beans. It's probably hard in your gloves, huh? Okay. Everybody should have 12 beans. Got 12? Cool. 11? Okay. How many beans do you have? 12? 12? Okay, friends. Take your 12 beans. Listen up. Take your 12 beans and show me 2 groups. So 2 circles. 2 circles with 6 beans. 6 beans, 6 beans. Just like our first problem here. So 2 groups, Pangpan, 2 groups, 2 circles with 6 beans. 2 groups of 6. Like Down's working on it. You've got it. You've got it. You've got it. So how? Yeah, we have 2 groups. 1, 2. Every group has 6 beans in it. Okay, good job. So we want 2 groups. 2 groups. Okay, and this. So 1 group, 2 groups, just like this. 2 groups, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Good. So 2 groups with 6 and 6. Very nice, friends. Okay. Now show me. Listen up. Show me 6 groups of 2. Show me 6 groups of 2. 6 groups of 2. It's going to look a little different. Six groups of 2. We still have 12 beans. 6 groups of 2. Down, can you show us on the board 6 groups of 2? Because you've got it on your desk. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And 2 in every group. So circle 6 groups of 2. So 2 beans in every group. Looks like all of our friends have got it. Very nice. So we want 6 groups. 2, 2, 2. There we go. Very nice. Oh, yeah, there's a bee. Good job, friends. So in this time, we changed it up a little bit. We've got 6 groups, 6 circles. Inside every circle, we have 2 beans. So this one could be 12 divided by 2 equals what?
6.
How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are right.
Teacher, B and A.
Yeah, there's a B and an A. Okay, friends, take your beans and make 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4. Sounds like we're doing great. 3 groups of 4. Okay, Pot, come up and show us 3 groups of 4. Come on up here. Can you show us how you made your 3 groups of 4? So 4 beans in every group. We need 4 beans in every group. Oh, not bad. We need 4 beans in every group. 4 beans. 4 beans. 4 beans. This is 4 beans. 3 groups. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. So you need 4 beans in every group. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 4 beans inside every group.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Great job. Great job. You got it. You got it. All right. And Pot's got circled for us groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups do we have?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Very nice. Very nice. Pak Boom, can you write this for us as an equation? Can you write this for us as an equation? Here we go. You can do it down here. That's cool. So how many beans altogether? How many do we start with?
Altogether, 12.
12. So 12. Did we add?
No.
What do we do? Divide. Divided by groups of 1, 2, 3, 4.
Divide 4.
Divided by 4. And how many groups do we get?
3.
3. Very nice. Great job. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. You got it, friends. Good. Thank you very much. Let's do one more with your beans. Now you're going to show me groups of 3. Groups of 3. So this is groups of 4. Make groups of 3 with your beans. Groups of 3. Groups of 3. Groups of 3. Everybody make groups of 3 with your beans. Groups of 3. Very nice, my friend. Can you come up and circle for us on the board?
Yeah.
Here you go. Groups of 3. So in every circle or group, every circle, you should have 3 beans. Very nice. It looks like everybody's got it.
That's cool.
Very nice. Groups of 3. 3 beans in every group. How many groups do we have?
4.
Yeah, we have 4 groups. Every group has 3 beans. What do we do? Get some of these beans down here in a group. There you go. That works. Very nice. That works. That's cool. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3 beans. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many groups do we have?
3.
How many? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Very nice. Okay, Pearl, can you write this on the board for us? Yeah, it looks like a little face eating. That's kind of funny. Like a snake? How funny. Okay, Proud, can you write for us this equation on the board? You can do it down here. How many did we start with? 12. And we divided, very nice. Divided by 3. We made groups of 3. And how many groups do we end up with?
4.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Very nice. Okay, for our last one, show me one group of 12.
1.
One group of 12. Put all your beans together. Put all your beans together in one little pile. Thanks for joining us for our math lesson. Everybody say goodbye.